Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. My name is Kamaldeep. Today we're going to discuss about the participating banks for IBPS RRB PO 2020. Okay, and along with we're going to also discuss the desired local language proficiency as prescribed by participating RRBs. Okay, so there are four columns here. In the first column you have name of RRBs. In the second column you have present head office. Okay, so this can be a question. From this you can also you're gonna also know about the headquarter of this bank actually, and from which state this RRB is from. Okay, and this one is the desired local language. So first of all, you have this Andhra Pradesh Gramin Vikas Bank, as a name suggesting, from Andhra Pradesh. This one is from actually Telangana, and present head office is Warangal. Okay, so what is the desired local language? You need to know Telugu actually. What is this local language proficiency? I have already covered this topic in a separate video. You can also watch that. Now, second one, Andhra Pragati Gramin Bank. So, headquarter is Kadapa and state is Andhra Pradesh, and your local proficient language is Telugu. Now, next is Arunachal Pradesh Rural Bank. So, from the name it's suggesting it's from Arunachal Pradesh, and your head office is Naharlugan. Naharlugan, or you can say Pampupare. Papumpare. Papumpare actually. So you should be proficient in English. Aryabrat Bank, Lucknow, UP. Hindi should be your proficient language. Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, Guwahati is the headquarter of this bank. This is from Assam state. You need to know Assamese, Bengali, and Bodo, the desired local language proficiency. Okay. Next is Bangia Gramin Vikas Bank. Its headquarters is Murshidabad, West Bengal. Okay, and your proficient language should be Bengali. The next one is Baroda Gramin Gujarat Gramin Bank. So your present headquarter is Bharuch, Gujarat, and Gujarati is the proficient language. The next one is Baroda Rajasthan Kshetriya Gramin Bank. So Ajmer is the headquarter, Rajasthan is the state, and Hindi should be your proficient language. Baroda UP Bank, Gorakhpur is the headquarter in Uttar Pradesh, and Hindi, Urdu, and Sanskrit should be desired local language for this bank. Okay. Chaitanya Godabari Gramina Bank. So headquarter is Guntur. It's from Andhra Pradesh, and Telugu is the desired language. Now next is Chhattisgarh Rajya Gramin Bank. So headquarter of this bank is Raipur, and state is Chhattisgarh, and Hindi should be the proficient language. Now next is Dakshin Bihar Gramin Bank. Patna is the headquarter, Bihar is the state, and Hindi should be the proficient language. Next one is Ilakai Dehati Bank. Srinagar is present headquarter. J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, is the state from which this bank is. Ilakai Dehati Bank. Okay, so what are the languages? Languages are Dogri, Kashmiri, Punjabi, Urdu, Gojri, Pahadi, Ladakhi, Balti, or Pali you can say, Dardi, and Hindi. So these are the local languages. You should have proficiency in these languages actually. The next one is Himachal Pradesh Gramin Bank. This one is from Mandi. Mandi is the headquarter for this bank, and from which state? Himachal Pradesh, and Hindi should be your proficient language. The next one is your JK Gramin Bank. Headquarter is Jammu and Kashmir state. Your local language should be Dogri, Kashmiri, Pahadi, Gojri, Punjabi, Ladakhi, Balti, Dardi, your Urdu, and Hindi. Okay. Next one is Jharkhand Rajya Gramin Bank. Ranchi is the headquarter, Jharkhand is the state, Hindi should be your proficient language. Next one is your Karnataka Gramin Bank. Okay, Karnataka Gramin Bank, Bellary is the headquarter, Karnataka is the state. Kannada should be proficient language. Your Kannada Vikas Gramin Bank, it's from Dharwad, Karnataka, and your proficient language is Kannada. Next one is your Kerala Gramin Bank. It's from Malappuram, Kerala. Headquarter is Malappuram. So language is Malayalam. Madhya Pradesh Gramin Bank. Indore is the headquarter. Madhya Pradesh is state. Hindi is the proficient language. Madhyanchal Gramin Bank. Sagar is the headquarter. Madhya Pradesh, and Hindi is the proficient language. Maharashtra Gramin Bank. Aurangabad is your headquarter. Maharashtra is your state, and Marathi is the proficient language. Manipur Rural Bank. Imphal is your headquarter. Manipur is your state, and Manipuri should be your state language. The next one is your Meghalaya Rural Bank. Shillong is the headquarter. Meghalaya is your state, and Khasi and Garo should be your proficient languages. Done. Now next one is Mizoram Rural Bank. Aizawl is the headquarter, and Mizoram is your state. Mizo should be your local language for there. Now Nagaland Rural Bank. This Nagaland Rural Bank has headquarter at Kohima, and Nagaland is the state. English is your proficient language there. Okay. Now next Gramin Bank is Odisha Gramya Bank. Bhubaneswar is the headquarter. Odisha is state, and Odia should be your proficient language. The next one is Paschim Banga Gramin Bank. From the name suggesting, it's from Paschim Bengal. It means West Bengal, and Havada is the headquarter. Okay, and Bengali should be a proficient language. Prathama UP Gramin Bank. This was the first Gramin Bank, Prathama Bank. I think this was set up in 1975 actually. Okay, so Prathama UP Gramin Bank, Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh, and Hindi is the proficient language. Pandubai Bhartiyar Grama Bank, or Bharatiyar, you can say this. Headquarter is Pondicherry, and your state is also Pondicherry. This is union territory actually. And Tamil, Malayalam, and Telugu are the proficient languages you should know. Your next one is Punjab Gramin Bank. Kapurthala is the headquarter. Punjab is the state, and Punjabi is your proficient language. Next one is your Rajasthan Murudhara Gramin Bank, or you can say Marudhara. Okay, Rajasthan Marudhara Gramin Bank. Marudhara means your desert actually. So headquarter is Jodhpur, and state is Rajasthan. Language should be Hindi. Your Saptgiri Gramin Bank. Chittor is the headquarter. Okay, Andhra Pradesh your state, and Telugu should be a proficient language. Sarva Haryana Gramin Bank. Headquarter is Rohtak. Haryana is the state. Hindi should be a proficient language. Saurashtra Gramin Bank. Rajkot is your headquarter. Gujarat is your state, and Gujarati should be your proficient language. Tamil Nadu Grama Bank. Salem is your headquarter. Tamil Nadu state, and Tamil is your proficient language there. The next bank is Telangana Gramin Bank. Hyderabad is headquarter. Telangana is state, and Telugu and Urdu are the proficient language you should know. The next one is Tripura Gramin Bank. Agartala is headquarter. Tripura is your state, and Bengali and Kokborak. Okay, Kokborak. This language you should know, or you should be proficient in that. Okay. Utkal Gramin Bank. So Bolangir is your headquarter for this bank, and Odisha is the state, and Odia is your proficient language. Uttar Bihar Gramin Bank. Muzaffarpur is the headquarter. Bihar is the state. Hindi should be your proficient language. Next one is your Uttarakhand Gramin Bank. So Dehradun is your headquarter for this bank, and Uttarakhand is your state, and these two languages, Hindi and Sanskrit, you should know. you should be proficient in this. Uttar Banga Kshetriya Gramin Bank, so Chu Bihar, okay, or you can say Kuch Bihar, okay. Kuch Bihar is your headquarter here. West Bengal is your state, and Bengali and Nepali you should know to fill the form in this bank, okay. Vidarbha Konkan Gramin Bank, headquarter is Nagpur, state is Maharashtra, and the language should be Marathi, or you should be proficient in Marathi. So what is this proficient language? So I have already told you, you should have you should have read this language as a subject, or you should have clear this language as a subject in 8th standard or above, as subject in 8th standard or above, okay. So these languages should be your subject in 8th standard or in the above standard, okay. So if you have subject in 8th class, suppose Marathi is your subject in 8th class, then you will be considered as proficient in this Marathi, okay. If suppose you have Bengali in 9th standard as a subject and 9th and 10th standard, so Bengali you should be considered as proficient in your uh, in this Bengali language, okay. So these were total 43 banks which are participating in this year RRB examination. So I have told you all the list of these participating banks to you, okay. So if you like this video, please like it, comment on it, and share it also. And one more thing, we daily post IBPS RRB Rank Visitor quiz on our entry app. You can go to Google Store and download this app and attempt this quiz daily. You will have this quiz daily live at 10 a.m. 15 questions, 15 minutes. These are the question in this, and link of this quiz will be given in the description box. So please share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much.